And the next cool thing that you can do is add effects by prompting rather than having to actually go in to all these various plugins that Suno has now given us. So you can just tell the agent, like, let's click on this audio file and say, make this sound huge, distorted, and compressed. When I said huge, I'm hoping it's going to like add reverb and distortion, because I said distort, and look, there we go. It's automatically configuring the compression and the distortion. So there's numerous things you can do with that. Another great thing is, like, if you wanted to reverse the sample, you don't have to go into the cover and reverse and all that. They make it extremely simple. So you just click the audio track that you want to reverse. You go to this thing again where it opens up the agent, and you just literally put reverse. And check it out. Boom. It just reversed it. This video is sponsored by the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook written by Chillpan. It comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre.